Hey, what's going on, guys? Lindsay Bates here. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. How to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. I started ClickFunnels around 7 months ago. I had dabbled in building some funnels and running some Facebook ads for other various companies. And around in January, I found the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp, and I thought, this is definitely what I want to do. So the reason behind it is I think the platform is just unbelievable, and I really believe in it. So what better way to get into affiliate marketing than by promoting something you really love and you really believe in. So I'm going to get started. Let's go over here to the affiliate bootcamp. So let me say this. The affiliate bootcamp for ClickFunnels is 100% free. All you got to do, and I'll drop a link down below so you guys can go to it and sign up for it if you're interested. But it's 100% free. And how the affiliate program works is ClickFunnels will pay you 40% for anybody who signs up for a ClickFunnels software account through your affiliate link. 40%. And so that's going to be reoccurring income every single month if they stick to using the platform. And if somebody trains them on it well enough for their business, it's a no-brainer. It's an amazing platform. So there's two different pricing packages, and I actually made a video on this before that you guys can check out if you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Please subscribe. So there's a $97 plan and a $297 plan. I'm not going to get into the different features of each plan, but so you would get 40% if anybody signs up for either of those plans through your affiliate link. Plus, they have numerous other offers that teach you all sorts of different things about how to use ClickFunnels, how to build info products, and all sorts of cool, amazing things that Russell Brunson does. So, and you can earn ClickFunnels commissions, or you can earn commissions, affiliate commissions off of any of those products if somebody uses your link to sign up. So let's get started here. At first, you got the welcome here. Obviously, there's a couple of videos kind of explaining how the affiliate bootcamp works. The next day, 1 through 5, you get the secret formula, the attractive characters, spend more than your competition, all the different types of traffic. Now, one of the biggest things about the affiliate bootcamp is, and I'd say day 1 through 10, is a lot of just like, it's Russell Brunson teaching basically seminars. They're recording videos where people have paid thousands of dollars to go sit in on his different classes and seminars. Well, they've taken parts of each of these seminars and put them into the affiliate bootcamp, and it's 100 days. And the goal is to run through 100 days of this affiliate bootcamp, and at the end, you'll have a minimum of $4,000 reoccurring every single month from, your affiliates. But also, once you get to 100 affiliates underneath you, they give you win what's called the dream car. So ClickFunnels, once you get 100 affiliates underneath you, ClickFunnels will pay you $500 a month towards your dream car. Now, that's on top of whatever reoccurring commission you're getting from the 100 affiliates that you signed up. Wow, that's pretty cool, right? I think that's amazing to me. So that's $500 on top of whatever your commissions are. Once you get to 200 affiliates underneath you, they will give you $1,000 a month towards your dream car. So I would say minimum, you're probably going to make somewhere around $8,000 a month reoccurring commission, plus $1,000 towards a dream car of your choice. So you guys go sign up for the boot camp. Let me run through a little bit more of it. Also in the boot camp, they teach you how to run different ads. With the ad type, they teach you how to build Facebook ads. There's a lot of teaching about how to build your attractive character. So basically how to become a brand, how to reach out, how to build, your brand, how to build a following. So there's a lot of videos in here just teaching you just a wealth of information, how to follow up with all the people that are following you, that start following you. How to use email autoresponders and how to write emails to basically build a connection with all of your followers and all the people who opt into your different funnels. So it's just crazy amounts of information. And while I have not utilized it 100% to start working towards my dream car. And if you look at this right here, I'm at 31 cars or 31 affiliates. I apologize. I get caught up with the car because of the dream car ordeal, but I'm at 31 affiliates underneath me. So you can do the numbers. That's a nice, that basically takes care of your rent or your mortgage payment. I don't know how much your mortgage payment is, but it does a lot for you every single month. So once you get to the 100 cars, well, heck, some people could retire on that because it's every single month coming in, reoccurring. So that being said, let's go back over to the boot camp here. Day 11 through 15, improving your funnel, teaches you inception secrets, the Seinfeld email sequence. That's basically how to build a connection through emails with your following, how to maximize your ad spend, how to build a bridge funnel. If you guys know anything about ClickFunnels, you'll understand what all this means. If not, go into the boot camp and start going through the 100 days. It's really amazing. So I know a bunch of the dream car winners, and two I'd like to throw out. After you run through the boot camp, go through it. It's amazing. Again, it's a lot of strategy. It's a lot of mindset. It's a lot of psychology. How to be successful with digital marketing. Now, I don't necessarily think you're going to win the dream car with the boot camp. So that's the one probably negative thing I would say about it. I think it's more to how to become a digital marketer. If I was to start over, and because I've gotten to know a lot of the dream car winners, I would run through the boot camp, but there's two people's programs that I would reach out to and find, and I'll drop those down below too. I will drop the boot camp. I will drop the where to sign up for a ClickFunnels account, and then I'm going to drop two more programs that I highly recommend. One of them is a guy named Spencer Meckham, and he's the top ClickFunnels affiliate out there, period. So he does a lot of Facebook ads, he does a lot of pay-per-click ads, and he does a lot of YouTube. Another guy, he is the top ClickFunnels. I think he has like 1,800 affiliates. It may be more now. So the next guy I would recommend is another dream car winner. His name is Greg Jeffries. He does a lot of SEO, and it's called the SEO Affiliate Domination. He crushes it. And again, he does a lot of search engine optimization stuff. Those are two different courses that I recommend that would definitely put you closer to the dream car than the actual boot camp would. But the actual boot camp is amazing for building strategies. If you want to build courses, anything that has to do with digital marketing, the boot camp is awesome. A wealth of knowledge for free. You can't beat that. So I'm going to drop these links below for the boot camp, for Spencer Meckham's course, and for Greg Jeffrey's course. Also, if you guys are interested, please come join my Facebook group. We do a lot of cool trainings in there. We do a lot of cool interviews in there. Lots of cool content and just fun stuff. So please come. I'll put the link down below for that also. And if you guys have any questions, make sure and drop them in the comments. Definitely 100% make sure and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate it. And you guys have an awesome, awesome day. Peace.